In the 1960s, a grand tour to study the outer planets was proposed, which prompted NASA to begin work on a mission in the early 1970s. Initially, Voyager 1 was planned as Mariner 11 of the Mariner program. Due to budget cuts, the mission was scaled back to be a flyby of Jupiter and Saturn and renamed the Mariner JS probe. As the program progressed, the name was later changed to Voyager, since the probe designs began to differ greatly from previous Mariner missions. When Voyager 1 launched, a mission to explore the outer planets in our solar system, nobody knew how important the probe would still be 45 years later. The probe has remained operational long past expectations and continues to send information about its journeys back to Earth. Voyager 1 was constructed by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. It has 16 hydrazine thrusters, 3-axis stabilization gyroscopes, and referencing instruments to keep the probe's radio antenna pointed toward Earth. Collectively, these instruments are part of the attitude and articulation control subsystem, along with redundant units of most instruments and 8 backup thrusters. The spacecraft also included 11 scientific instruments to study celestial objects such as planets as it travels through space. Now let's see some interesting scientific facts. How Voyager communicates Earth from that distance. The radio communication system of Voyager 1 was designed to be used up to and beyond the limits of the solar system. The communication system includes a 3.7-meter, 12 feet diameter, high-gain Cassegrain antenna to send and receive radio waves via the 3 Deep Space Network stations on the Earth. The craft normally transmits data to Earth over Deep Space Network Channel 18 using a frequency of either 2.3 GHz or 8.4 GHz, while signals from Earth to Voyager are transmitted at 2.1 GHz. When Voyager 1 is unable to communicate directly with the Earth, its digital tape recorder can record about 67 megabytes of data for transmission at another time. As of 2021, signals from Voyager 1 take over 21 hours to reach Earth.